Topic 3-4, more applications of angles. This can be referenced with our Holt book, Chapter 1, Section 4 on page 29. Okay, we're dealing with more complements and supplements. Example 1, find the measure of an angle if its supplement is 113. Well, again, supplement was whatever this angle was minus 180 degrees, is meaning equal, and it's equal to the 113. So writing the equation, 180 minus x is equal to 113. Negative x is going to equal a negative 67. Subtracting 180 on both sides. Divide out the by a negative 1. So we want our values to be positive. So your x is going to be 67. Since I said to find the measure of the angle, then the angle would be equal to 67 degrees. Example 2. Find the measure of an angle if its measure is equal, so is equal, and it's an angle, itself would be your x. That represents your x. And it's equal to 23 degrees less than its complement. Well, remember, when it says less than, you got to do the switch. The 23 is going to go to the right of the complement, which is 90 minus x. So setting this up in the equation, x is equal to 23 degrees. Put it over here because it's less than the complement, 90 minus x. Setting up the equation is just most important half of the problem here. Okay, you're taking like terms, so you're actually saying 90 minus the 23. That would be 67. You still have your x, so it's minus x is equal to x. Combine your x by adding x on both sides to get 2x over here. These go away. 2x is equal to the 67, so x is equal to 33.5. And again, they were talking about the measure of the angle, so your angle is equal to the 33.5 degrees. Example 3. Find the measure of an angle if its measure is 45 less, there's that word again, less than twice its complement. That's 2 times the 180, supplement. 180 minus x. Again, this 45 is going to go to the right because it's all of this less the 45. So it's, again, is our x. Is our equal sign. Put a little x there so that we know that in our equation the x is to the left of the equal sign. So the angle is equal to 45 less than 2 times its supplement. Very important. 45. Very important to know where that 45 goes. It's all the way to the right of everything else because of this less sign. You have to do the switch. Alright, remembering to distribute when you have a parentheses, the 2 times the 180 and the 2 times the negative x. So you have 360 minus 2x minus 45. Combine this with this by subtraction and you get 315 minus the 2x. Again, all of this was equal to x, so you still have an x over here. That's a negative, so if I add 2x to both sides, I end up with 3x. That goes away. Equal to 315. Oops. Keep forgetting to look up. So you have 3x is equal to 315. Divide by 3 and your x would be equal to 105. So your angle is 105 degrees. And you can always go and double check that. Put 105 over here in for your x, and then multiply it by, well, actually you probably want to use this one, and then subtract 360 from two of those, and then subtract another 45 and see if you get 105. You can always check your answers to make sure that that matches up with the expression in being equal. Okay, two more examples. Example 4. Find the measure of an angle if its supplement, so if we're talking about its supplement, you're looking at the 180 minus x. This is the 180 minus the x is being equal to 15 more than twice its complement. That twice again is 2 times the 90 minus x. I think we've got supplement and complement down right now. So you've got 180 minus x is equal to 2 of the 90 minus x, and all of that, 2 of those added, because more means add, the 15. Don't forget to do the distribution here and here in this long drawn out problem, so that you're going to have 180 minus x is equal to 180 minus 2x plus the 15. 180 minus x would be equal to 195 minus 2x. We got the 195 by combining this and this, the two constants. Again, here we have x's on one side of the equal sign and constants on both sides also. So you have to combine everything together. Well, if you add a 2x over here, you're going to get x. And if you subtract 180 from both sides, you'll get 15. So x is equal to 15. So since this says find the measure of the angle is equal to 15 degrees. Last one. Find the measure of an angle if the measure of its complement is, meaning the equal, so the measure of its complement is 90 minus whatever the angle is 48 more than twice being 2 the measure of the angle. So that one didn't say twice its complement or supplement, it just said twice the angle. So that's just going to be denoted with just the x, the angle we're looking for. So setting this up, you've got the 2x plus how many? 48 degrees. Solving for this, you're going to have, subtract 48, you'll have 42. Add x, you'll have 3 of them, 3 x's, divide that, so x would be 14. And again, come see me and I'll show you how to put these into a calculator and solve for x also. Just another little trick. So to note this as x equals that, then the angle of this measure is 14 degrees. And that finishes topic 3-4.